Good morning. You guys already know I be coming to you looking a mess in the morning. It is, I think, like 8 a.m., 9 a.m., 9:30 a.m. now. Just got off my first call. Gonna start my second at 10 a.m. We're gonna do a day in my life as an entrepreneur again. I really hope you guys like these type of videos. I do. I always have a hectic schedule, and you guys get to see how I make money, and I can show you guys what I'm doing. So for today's schedule, I have a 25th. I have a 7 a.m., 10 a.m., 12:30 p.m. Then 2:30 p.m. I have a samples meeting for my planners in Norfolk. So I'm going to be going to go check on my samples for my planners and give them the final go ahead to actually put it into production this time. I said it more than once before, but we just kept seeing the samples and not liking the way they look. So hopefully today's the final go. 4 p.m. I am having a meeting with someone where I'm going to create my own pop-up shop. If there are no seats at the table, create your own table. So I asked around to find a spot to create a pop-up shop for small businesses. So not only just for me, I want to get you guys, especially if you live in Virginia, and everybody else who has a small business, and create a place where people can go and sell their stuff. You know, there's artsy places that people can sell their stuff. There's flea markets, there's farmers markets, but there's never really, in Virginia at least, small business markets that are pop-up shops that don't cost a lot. Like if you go to the small business market in Norfolk, it's like $600 or more to put your stuff there. I don't want that. I want to be able to create a free location, or maybe a location where you pay $30 and start selling your stuff. I want to create that, and since we don't have that, I'm going to be the one that creates it. So I have that meeting for that location to see if we can do a pop-up shop there. I want that at the end of February. So that's at 4 p.m. And then 6:30 p.m. I have a closing. So Mondays, sometimes they're slow. Sometimes my Mondays are really busy with closings, but I'm super glad I only have one today because I have a lot of meetings to get to. I want to show you guys my pop-up shop. Did I close? I want to show you guys my pop-up shop flyer that I have going on. All right, so this is the flyer. I put like different things that you can buy at the pop-up shop. This is for my planners. And it is held at this restaurant, small business pop-up event. Come introduce the public to your business and sell your merchandise. We got another person, and he has a full-time job making an extra $1,000. That's pretty good. And he literally only works 3 to 4 days of the week, and he got an extra $1,000. Love to see it. All right guys, so I just got done teaching all my classes for this morning, and I'm on my way to my meeting for my pop-up shop to see if we can secure the venue. I was gonna say vendor. To see if we can secure the venue today, and then I'm gonna go to the warehouse to see if my samples are good to go. Then we have 2 signings at nighttime. I know I said I had 1. I have 2 now, so I accepted another one for later tonight. So it's a busy day, but it's the day in the life of an entrepreneur. All right guys, this is the place that I'm thinking. Instead of having people drive their cars here and park, we're just gonna have everybody lined up around here and do the event here. This is the place, since it's vegan, so if you're in Virginia, then come out. We gotta think of a time and day though, but this is the place. So I'm gonna go inside. So this is the inside, nice little sitting area. And then they have all this space for a good event. So I'm gonna talk to the owner right now. All right, this is the back, you guys. We have a lot of space. Oh yeah, we're definitely doing the back. To go, y'all. We just got to get the permits. We might not need a permit. Hey, Miss Jackie.
What's going on?
Did you get it done, or should I go home?
Well, if you're already over this way, that's fine and dandy. I'm actually working on your stuff now.
Okay, I should be.
Our designer, she's not here. She actually ended up leaving, so it's been kind of crazy, that's all. Let's see.
Oh, yeah. Let me see directions. See how far away I am from you. Start 8. Oh, I'm only 8 minutes away from you. All right, so I am here at the printing place. I have a strict schedule right now because I have a signing at 5:30, so, and I'm gonna be going through traffic. This is the man of the hour. He's making all my dreams come true. Say hi.
Hello.
look mean on camera.
Oh, hello. Oh, hold on, better. Hello. Will you stop acting crazy?
One more time. Now we got the tabs on. No spiraling yet. Good, I'm just leaving my other signing and I'm on my way to you. My GPS says 5:52. So now I'm on to the 2 signings I have tonight. One at 6 and the other one at like 7. So they're both in the same place near my house, so it's not gonna be too much driving. I just need to get there, so that is my day. All right, so I just left my first signing. It is now 6:30. He asked me to do a notarization on the side, and he gave me like $20. Like, I wasn't even gonna charge him. He was just like, hey, can you notarize something while you're here? And I was like, yeah, sure. And then he just handed it to me. He gave me $20, so that was nice. We're on to the next one. I'm gonna get there at 6:45, which we would set between 6:30 and 6:45, so that's perfect. So I'm at my last signing, and y'all, this house is literally across the street from where I live. Ooh, that pimple is getting big. This house is literally, I could walk out my door of my house, walk across the street, and be in the neighborhood where this is, like right across the street. Literally 3 minutes. Anyway, I'm gonna go in. I'm super hungry. She doesn't have a lot of documents. I'm ready to leave. All right, you guys, so I'm back home. I just have to package up all of these loans so that I can send them off tomorrow. But I wanted to come up here and give everybody an update of my tiny home. So I will show you some footage of it coming in.
Well, I'll give you a brief tour, and I'm gonna do my best to like get the angles and stuff right. So there's one window.
It's so big.
They're enormous. And then there's the other window, and then I just walked through the front door. Okay. And then you have, this is the window for the air conditioner, and then the fireplace goes underneath it.
Yay, the wood fireplace, right?
Yeah, the little fireplace. Okay, so this is like the kitchen area that we had kind of talked about, right? This little L shape right here. Then your TV, like we were talking about, will go right here.
Okay.
Because there's not going to be upper cabinets up here.
Okay, and that's easy to watch TV when you're laying in the pull-out bed, right?
Yes, that would be the perfect angle. And then what we'll do is we'll put it on one of those swivel mounts.
Yay.
So if you want the kids to watch TV too, it'll pull out and face this way so that the kids in the bunk room can watch TV. And also a picture of what it looks like now. So here's the footage. They started on the foundation of it. If you guys want to see updates of my real lifetime life, then go on my Instagram, and I'll put it down here or I'll put it up here. Go on my Instagram and follow me up there. I'm always doing, you know, of course, quicker updates because it's Instagram. I can just pull my phone out. But I'm constantly posting about my Notary 101 students making money, constantly posting about my new planner business. I'm going to be doing a pop-up shop, as you guys can see in this vlog. So I hope you guys enjoy my day in the life entrepreneur jobs. I got $20 today for nothing. But it's been a really good day. The last signer was literally 5 minutes down the street. Like literally I could cross the street and that was her house. And she wants to hang out. I love meeting like younger people who are doing things because it's really good to have friends who are go-getters like you. So follow me on Instagram. We can talk, we can hee-haw, and I will talk to you guys later.